What you're witnessing is the collaboration between the John Deere 9500, I combine harvester and the Massey Ferguson truck, jointly working to harvest grass, the John Deere 9000 expertly cuts and transports grass to the threshing and grinding compartment via a blower tube. This versatile machine is capable of harvesting various crops, including wheat, soybeans, rice, corn, grass, straw, and many others. Boasting a powerful engine, this machine significantly enhances harvesting efficiency, capable of working continuously for extended periods and maintaining high performance levels during grass harvesting. The John Deere 8600, another specialized harvester from John Deere, packs a punch with a robust engine of up to 625 HP, equipped with a diesel engine. It features an automatic steering and wheel lock system, offering enhanced control and maneuverability. Its small turning radius adds convenience in navigating tight spaces. With a harvesting capacity ranging from 300 to 400 tons of grass per hour, its efficiency depends on factors like weather and grass characteristics. This machine operates continuously for many hours, maintaining high performance and efficiency, ultimately saving time and effort in grass harvesting. The Fence 720 is an advanced and efficient harvesting machine designed specifically for carrot harvesting. Using a cutting blade system, it efficiently removes trees from the ground and has the ability to move trees with diameters ranging from 20 to 60 centimeters and heights from 60 to 240 centimeter. This machine also supports tree transplantation, facilitating quick and precise repositioning. The Avant 745's remarkable feature is its ability to move plants flexibly and efficiently without compromising their root system and growth potential. The Clauserian 4000 specializes in harvesting hemp diesel fiber, equipped with a MAN D2676 LUE 62 engine with a cylinder capacity of 12.4 liters. Using cutting blades involves cutting blades to cut. It efficiently processes hemp diesel plant stems, followed by a pulling and redirecting component to guide the plants into the machine. Screens inside separate leaves and branches from hemp vessel fibers, which are then collected and bundled for further processing. Cider production is renowned in the northern region. This machine can clamp the apple tree trunk tightly and the scattered apples are swept up by the machine's fan blades and conveyed on a conveyor belt for efficient harvesting without compromising quality. Let's return to the vast fields of the Netherlands, where beans are a vital crop. With a stable annual yield of around 120,000 to 140,000 tons. The EPD bean harvester operates continuously from mid-June to September, optimizing productivity and achieving impressive output. The Fence 720 is an advanced and efficient harvesting machine designed specifically for carrot harvesting. With modern mechanisms such as a MAN D836 engine and a maximum power output of 200 HP, it can harvest up to 810 tons per day, depending on the type of crop to be harvested. The Case YH9240 is a high-end axial flow rice with a 16-liter Cursor 16 diesel engine and a maximum power output of up to 634 Pro Drive automatic steering system. Combining the independent classification system and AccuGuide automatic steering system helps ensuring the end product has the best quality. The compact grass baling machine simplifies the harvesting and preservation of grass. Equipped with a 50 kilobar Case 130 pulling head. The Case YH9210 is such a high-end axial flow rice combined to harvester from Case AH equipped with a 1816-liter Cursor 18 diesel engine and a maximum power engine output of up to 634 HD to drive automatic steering wheel and intelligent control system. It make easier for operators to increase harvesting efficiency. It combines the independent basic system and accurate automatic steering. System helps to boost accuracy harvesting to ensuring the end product has the best top notch. This harvester's width reaches to 7 meters, increasing the harvesting productivity to 5.3 pH. Their compact grass baling machine have been built to make preservation of grass chopper. This is equipped with a 40 kW case of 100 pulling heads and a grass baling mechanism supply with rectangular bales about 1/4 inch long. After baling, the grass bales are pushed out of the container behind. Its small and efficient design makes this machine convenient. The Deere 8360R tractor and Lemken Diamond 12 plow set form an exceptional combination for modern agricultural land cultivation. The Lemken Diamond plow set with 12 large plow blades and an adjustable depth of up to 30 centimeters. It aids in deep and powerful digging and tilling.